on that note, let's bring on board once again our technical experts, and we have Kunal and Nuresh both are back with us. Kunal, coming to you first. Tell us what you've picked out for our Chartbuster segment today. Which stock is looking good on the charts?
Thank you so much for that, Snehi. So I've picked up Avenue Supermarts or D-Mart, and an interesting chart for the stock because on the short-term basis, the stock has formed a triple bottom as such, and that too, adhering towards a major trendline support. So this is the recent charts for D-Mart, where the stock in the month of end of December formed a low of almost 3,400, then a slight higher low, almost 3425, and then the recent low of around 3,500 for D-Mart. In the subsequent attempt, when we look at the charts, the resistance has been at a very similar juncture, which is closer to 4,000 to 4,100 mark for Avenue Supermarts, which means that now, if in case and whenever the stock gets into a process of a recovery, this could be a third retest of a major resistance around the 4,100 mark. So I think at current levels, anticipating that this trend line would hold for D-Mart, and then the stock would probably get back into a recovery phase. I think at current levels, the risk reward would be very attractive for medium to long-term investors.
Okay, so that's looking good on the charts. To Kunal, D-Mart is his pick on the charts. Nuresh, coming to you, what have you picked out? What's looking good on the charts for you?
So it is Shriram Finance. The stock has corrected from 730 all the way down to 520. And after that correction for the last 2 months, it has been making a base, making a stronger base at 520, 530. We've seen multiple bottoms around that area. Also, the previous breakout point for the stock was around this 520 mark. After making this base, it has given a trendline breakout about the 570, 580 mark. Good volumes and price action over the last 2-3 sessions. This indicates a trend has started out here. It could go back to 630 to 660 levels. Buy at current levels as well as on dips with a stop loss at 550.
All right, so those were the Chartbuster ideas from both of our experts. But Kunal, apart from the stock on the charts, which other stock that you are tracking on the technical front, which are your stock ideas?
So 2 more buy calls. The first one is one SBI Life, the stock looking fairly attractive, relatively strong with respect to its other peers. So buy with a target of 1520, stop loss at 1460. And Berger Paints is the other stock which is looking attractive. And the stock is heading towards a consolidation breakout. 510 is the target, stop loss could be kept at 480.
All right, so those are the 2 ideas coming in from Kunal right now. But Nuresh, what about you?
So first is a sell on Persistent Systems. The stock is, after making a recovery, starting to make a possible breakdown going forward. Stop loss at 5,600, target price of 5,000. Second is a buy on UBL, showing relative strength there, holding above the 2,000 mark. Stop loss at 2,000, target price of 2,150.
Okay, so that's looking good to Naresh on the stock picks as well as Kunal. Thank you both of us for joining us on our Chartbuster segment and sharing what's looking good on the charts as well as individual stock recommendations.